Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to fix steering wheel adjustment, updated. Start by parking on level ground, setting the parking brake, and disconnecting the battery to avoid airbag issues. Inspect the column for visible damage or loose bolts, and note whether the tilt lever or electronic actuator controls the movement. Use penetrating oil on stiff joints and gently test adjustment after each change. Keep the cabin clear of tools, and take photos to reverse any steps if needed. In this video, I will explain how to fix steering wheel adjustment, updated. Begin diagnosing by testing the lever and checking for free movement or resistance. If your vehicle has power adjust, cycle the motor while observing the column for movement and odd sounds. Tighten loose bolts and replace worn bushings or pivot sleeves to restore smooth travel. If the motor runs but the column doesn't move, remove trim to access linkage and identify the failed component. In this video, I will review how to fix steering wheel adjustment, updated. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker makes music, timers, and voice commands easy while you work on your car, and it fits any garage setup. I use it to set precise timers and call up quick how-to-steps without taking off my gloves. If you like this tip, subscribe and like the video, check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help with how to fix steering wheel adjustment, updated. Start with simple fixes like tightening loose mounting bolts and lubricating pivot points with a light grease. Replace worn bushings or pivot sleeves to remove play and binding, and test the lever after each repair. For electronic systems, replace or bench test the tilt motor or actuator if it runs without moving the column. Reassemble trim carefully and reconnect the battery when done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.